Looking for a Greek island escape that combines beachfront bliss with all-inclusive convenience? The Atlantica Marmari Palace in Kos might just be calling your name. Nestled right on the golden sands of Mastichari Beach, this resort has been making waves with travelers who want that perfect balance of relaxation and activity. With over 1,300 reviews on TripAdvisor and a solid 4.3 rating, it's clear that plenty of guests have found their happy place here. The property sits just 15 minutes from Kos Airport, making it refreshingly easy to get from plane to poolside without the usual transfer headaches. Whether you're planning a family holiday or a couple's getaway, this resort promises the kind of Greek hospitality that keeps people coming back year after year. The location itself is pretty hard to beat if you're the type who measures vacation success by how quickly you can get your toes in the sand. Mastichari is one of those quieter corners of Kos where you can actually hear the waves instead of competing with nightclub music. It's about 18 kilometers from Kos town, which means you get the best of both worlds. Peaceful beach vibes at the resort and easy access to the island's main attractions when you fancy a bit of exploration. The resort has earned itself the number 18 spot out of 234 hotels on the island, which is no small achievement given how competitive the Kos hotel scene has become. While specific room categories aren't extensively detailed in available information, the Atlantica Marmari Palace offers accommodations designed to suit different traveler needs. The resort caters to both families and couples, which typically means you'll find everything from standard double rooms to larger family suites with extra space for the kids. Most rooms at beachfront properties like this one come with either pool views, garden views, or if you're lucky with your booking, direct sea views over that gorgeous stretch of golden sand. The proximity to the beach means even garden view rooms are usually just a short stroll from the water, so you're never really missing out on the coastal experience. Guests can expect the usual modern amenities that make resort life comfortable: air conditioning that actually works in the Greek summer heat, private bathrooms, and complimentary Wi-Fi to share those sunset photos with folks back home. The resort also provides dry cleaning services, which is a nice touch for those who pack light and need a refresh mid-holiday. Family-friendly features appear throughout the property, with baby-friendly corners mentioned in dining areas and a free kids club that gives parents some well-deserved breathing room. The rooms themselves are designed with that Mediterranean aesthetic that balances comfort with the kind of bright, airy feel you want when you're on a Greek island. While high-tech smart room features aren't specifically highlighted, the focus here seems to be on creating spaces where you can genuinely unwind rather than fiddling with complicated gadgets. The resort setup suggests they understand that sometimes the best room technology is a comfortable bed, a working shower, and a balcony where you can enjoy your morning coffee while planning absolutely nothing for the day ahead. The dining scene at Atlantica Marmari Palace revolves around the Magico main restaurant, where Greek and Mediterranean flavors take center stage in a buffet-style setup. Live cooking stations add that element of theater to your meals, with chefs preparing dishes right in front of you so you know everything's fresh and made to order. The restaurant serves breakfast and lunch on terraces that overlook either the pool or the gardens, giving you pleasant views no matter which meal you're tackling. Themed events keep things interesting throughout your stay, with gala dinners and traditional Greek nights that let you experience local culture without leaving the resort. The baby-friendly corners show they've thought about families with little ones who need high chairs and maybe a bit more space to navigate with strollers. While the official site mentions 4 restaurants total, the Magico appears to be the main hub for most meals, with additional dining options likely including more specialized or a la carte venues. Beyond the main restaurant, the resort features 2 poolside bars where you can grab refreshing drinks without abandoning your sun. There's also a beach bar for those who prefer to keep their feet in the sand while sipping something cold and preferably garnished with fruit. A winery on the property adds an interesting dimension, giving wine enthusiasts the chance to sample Greek varieties that might not make it onto every restaurant menu. The all-inclusive setup, based on information from Atlantica's sister properties, typically means you can enjoy the restaurants and bars until midnight without constantly reaching for your wallet. Most all-inclusive arrangements at this level include 1 visit to each a la carte restaurant per stay, which encourages you to try different dining experiences while keeping the main buffet as your reliable backup option. The pool and beach situation is exactly what you'd hope for at a Greek island resort. The Golden Sand Beach sits right at your doorstep, equipped with suns and umbrellas so you can claim your spot and settle in for the day. Beach volleyball nets invite the competitive types to work up a sweat before cooling off in the crystal-clear Aegean waters. The beachside drinks service means you never have to trek back to the bar when thirst strikes, which is the kind of convenience that turns a good beach day into a great one. Multiple pools give you options depending on your mood, including an indoor pool for those rare occasions when the weather doesn't cooperate or when you fancy a swim without the salt and sand factor. The poolside setup typically includes shallow areas for kids to splash around safely while adults can actually relax instead of maintaining constant vigilance. Water activities and lounging opportunities abound, with the kind of setup that lets you be as active or as lazy as your holiday spirit dictates. The beach at Mastichari is known for its gentle slope and relatively calm waters, making it ideal for families with younger children or anyone who prefers swimming without battling serious waves. Nearby, Tagaki Beach offers another option if you want to explore different stretches of coastline during your stay. The resort provides all the beach essentials, so you don't need to pack half your house or rent equipment at inflated prices. Whether you're the type to claim a sun at dawn and barely move until sunset or someone who needs to try every water sport available, the facilities here accommodate both approaches to beach life. Sports and fitness facilities keep active guests entertained beyond the beach volleyball already mentioned. Resort properties of this caliber typically include tennis courts, and the general emphasis on activities suggests there's plenty to keep you moving if sitting still isn't your style. Fitness facilities allow you to maintain your workout routine even on holiday, though let's be honest, most people use them more for easing vacation guilt than actual training. Cultural options come through those themed Greek nights at the restaurant, where you can experience traditional music, dancing, and cuisine without organizing a separate excursion. The Free Kids Club runs educational and entertaining programs that give children their own holiday experience while parents enjoy some adult time. Beach games, pool activities, and organized entertainment throughout the day mean there's always something happening if you want to join in. The variety of activities strikes that balance between structured entertainment and freedom to do your own thing. Some guests love a packed activity schedule while others prefer resorts that offer options without making you feel like you're missing out if you skip them. The playground facilities give younger kids their own dedicated space for burning energy in a safe environment. Evening entertainment typically ramps up after dinner, with shows, live music, or other performances that bring guests together in a relaxed holiday atmosphere. The beauty of a resort like this is that you can be as social or as private as you want, participating in group activities one day and hiding away with a book the next. The Atlantica Spa brings that wellness dimension that transforms a simple beach holiday into something more restorative. Body scrubs, facials, and massage treatments use techniques and products that leave you feeling properly pampered rather than just going through the motions. Spa facilities at Greek resorts often incorporate local ingredients like olive oil, honey, and sea salt, connecting the treatments to the island's natural resources. While specific details about saunas, steam rooms, or yoga programs aren't extensively documented, spa facilities of this type generally include these wellness staples. The indoor pool mentioned earlier often connects to spa and wellness areas, giving you that option for gentle swimming as part of a relaxation routine. Detox programs and specialized wellness packages may be available for guests who want to use their holiday as a reset rather than just an escape. Treatment menus at resort spas typically range from quick fixes like express facials to longer, more indulgent experiences that take up a good chunk of your afternoon. The spa environment itself matters as much as the treatments, and properties that take wellness seriously create spaces that feel separate from the busier resort areas. Booking spa treatments in advance is usually wise, especially during peak season when appointment slots fill up quickly with other guests who had the same relaxation idea. Prices for spa services typically aren't included in all-inclusive packages, but they're often reasonably priced compared to what you'd pay at standalone spas back home. The combination of professional treatments, peaceful surroundings, and that post-spa glow you get from being on holiday creates an experience that justifies the extra expense. The Free Kids Club stands out as a major draw for families who need their children entertained by professionals rather than relying on the pool to do all the work. Age-appropriate activities keep different groups engaged, from toddlers who need gentle play to older kids who want more adventurous programs. Supervised activities give parents genuine peace of mind, knowing their children are safe, happy, and probably having more fun than they would just hanging around with mom and dad all day. The playground equipment provides another outlet for that seemingly endless childhood energy that can make or break a family holiday. Baby-friendly facilities throughout the resort, including those corners in the restaurant, show an understanding that traveling with very young children requires specific accommodations. Evening kids' entertainment often runs parallel to adult programming, so families can enjoy dinner together before children head off to their activities and parents can enjoy the later evening shows or bars without feeling guilty. Many resorts claim to be family-friendly, but then provide minimal actual facilities for children beyond a small pool. The Atlantica Marmari Palace appears to take family accommodations seriously, building in features that recognize parents are on holiday too and deserve some relaxation time. The kids' club staff typically organize everything from arts and crafts to sports activities, mini discos, and themed days that give children their own holiday memories. Some clubs even include educational elements about Greek culture, local wildlife, or environmental awareness, adding a learning dimension that parents appreciate. The fact that the Kids Club is complimentary rather than an expensive add-on makes family holidays here more budget-friendly than resorts that nickel and dime you for every service. Exploring beyond the resort brings you to some of Kos's most appealing attractions without requiring marathon travel days. Kos town sits 18 kilometers away, easily reachable for a day trip to explore the island's main port, shopping areas, and historical sites. The town offers that mix of ancient ruins, medieval castle remains, and modern Greek island life that makes Kos more interesting than some purely beach-focused destinations. Local tavernas in Kos town give you a taste of authentic Greek dining beyond the resort experience, while shops sell everything from tourist trinkets to quality local products like honey, olive oil, and handmade ceramics. The proximity to Mastichari Beach means you're already in one of the island's prettier areas, with traditional fishing village charm that hasn't been completely overwhelmed by tourism development. Tagaki Beach, mentioned as nearby, offers another coastal option with slightly different character and beach clubs if you want variety during a longer stay. The 15-minute drive from Kos Airport means you can explore the airport area and surrounding villages without it being a major expedition. Day trips to other parts of the island become feasible when you're centrally located like this, whether you want to visit the mountain villages, explore more remote beaches, or check out archaeological sites that connect you to the island's ancient past. Boat trips often depart from nearby harbors, offering excursions to neighboring islands or around Kos's coastline to beaches only accessible by water. Having these options available without being in the thick of the busiest tourist zones gives you flexibility in how you structure your holiday. Taking everything into account, the Atlantica Marmari Palace delivers solid value for travelers seeking an all-inclusive beach resort experience in Greece. The beachfront location is genuinely excellent, with that golden sand and clear water right there rather than requiring a shuttle or long walk. The 4.3 rating from over 1,300 TripAdvisor reviews suggests consistent performance rather than a property that's brilliant one week and disappointing the next. Families appear particularly well served with the Free Kids Club, baby-friendly facilities, and pool options that keep children entertained. The dining variety through multiple restaurants and bars means you're less likely to suffer from menu fatigue during a week-long stay. The eco-certification mentioned on booking platforms indicates some environmental awareness, which matters to travelers who think about their holiday impact. On the potential downside, specific room details and categories aren't extensively publicized, which might make it harder to know exactly what you're booking compared to hotels with detailed room descriptions and virtual tour. The all-inclusive details come partly from sister property information rather than explicit confirmation for this specific resort, which could lead to surprises if you're expecting certain inclusions. Being 18 kilometers from Kos Town is perfect for some guests but might feel too remote for others who want easier access to nightlife and shopping without organizing transport. The resort seems to focus on relaxation and family friendliness rather than wild party atmosphere, so younger travelers seeking high-energy nightlife might find it too quiet. These aren't necessarily weaknesses, just factors that make the resort better suited to certain traveler types than others. What really sets this property apart is that beachfront position on Mastichari's golden sand, which you simply can't replicate at inland or town center hotels. The combination of beach access with multiple pools gives you genuine choice in how you spend your days. The inclusion of a winery on the property is unusual and appealing for guests who enjoy wine beyond basic house pours. That number 18 ranking out of 234 Kos hotels demonstrates competitive quality in a destination with no shortage of accommodation options. The Atlantica brand brings established hospitality standards, and the TUI Magic Life Association adds another layer of quality assurance. The Free Kids Club being genuinely complimentary rather than a paid extra makes family holidays here more affordable and stress-free. For events and conference facilities, larger resort properties often include meeting spaces that can accommodate business groups, weddings, or other gatherings. While specific conference room details aren't extensively documented for Atlantica Marmari Palace, the resort's size and facilities suggest capability for hosting smaller events. The gala dinners and themed nights demonstrate experience in organizing special occasions that could extend to private functions or group celebrations. Guest experiences that stand out include those themed Greek nights that bring cultural flavor to your holiday without requiring separate excursions. The live cooking stations at Magico Restaurant create memorable meal moments where you interact with chefs and watch your food being prepared. Beach volleyball games often turn into impromptu social events where guests from different countries team up and create holiday friendships. The spa treatments provide those indulgent moments that transform a standard beach holiday into something more luxurious and restorative. Parents consistently mention the relief and gratitude they feel when kids' club staff engage their children so successfully that the kids actually want to go back each day. The beachside drink service creates those perfect lazy afternoon moments where everything you need is within arm's reach, and the biggest decision is whether to have another swim before your next cocktail. These experiential highlights, combined with the natural beauty of the Greek islands and the warmth of local hospitality, create the kind of holiday memories that have guests browsing return flights before they've even left. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.